Chairman, Mr. President, fact-finding muna. General Gamboa, you were formerly Chief of Police of Davao.
Lahat yan sila.
Yes, answer. Yes or no? Yes?
No, sir.
No. Okay. General Danao, former Police Chief of Davao?
Yes, sir.
Okay. General Sinas, former Police Chief of Davao?
No, sir.
No. Catalino Coy, former Police Chief of Davao?
Yes, Your Honor.
How about Karamat, former Police Chief of Davao? Ha? Sa mic, sir.
No, sir.
Okay, para klaro. Okay. Sige, so,
Just-
so
Ako,
you
Mr.
have the
Chair.
floor, Senator.
Mr. Chair,
Hernandez,
ako.
the floor. Okay.
Ako, hindi mo ko tanungin?
Yes, we need to
Former
answer.
Chief of Police ako ng
Because
Davao.
alam ko chief ka ng police, but former chief
Yeah.
of the Davao.
Yeah.
Okay.
And Mr. Chair,
Sige,
kanina,
yes. He is
you allow
allowing
me
you. Sige,
short,
one.
short introduction. And, Mr. Chair, yung DDS, yung term ng DDS, siguro sa amin dito, Danao, General Coy, General Gamboa was never a Chief of Police, but na-assign yan sa Davao, sa Police Regional Office 11. Ako, assign ako ng Davao as City Director. At doon ako nagsimula yung career ko sa Davao City. Just this weekend, Mr. Chair, in-interview ako ng mga media ng Davao nung umuwi ako. And harap-harapan, sinabihan ko sila, kayo kasi, mga media ng Davao, kayo nag-imbento nung term ng Davao Death Squad. Pag may namatay, binabalita kagad niyo, Davao Death Squad, Davao Death Squad. Kayo ang nag-imbento ng term na yan. Sabi ko sa media ng Davao. And later on, one of the media ng Davao, dinibunk yung aking statement. Sabi niya, sir, with due respect, bago namin yan na-create, yung term na yan ng Davao Death Squad, meron kasing isang namatay, sir, may isang namatay, binaril, may nakalagay doon na placard na Davao Death Squad. Kaya doon nag-start yung paggamit namin ng term ng Davao Death Squad. So therefore, sabi ko, okay, I will correct my statement. Hindi kayo ang nag-imbento, but kayo ang nag-propagate ng word na yan. So yun na, lumaki na nagiging ginamit niya. Pag may binaril, sabihin kagad, Davao Death Squad. Kahit na binaril dahil jealousy ang motibo, or kaya malaking utang, nakadispal ko ng pera, binaril, DDS kagad ang pinapalabas na term. So, yan na, lumaki na yung pangalan na Davao Death Squad, Mr. Chair.
Danao, naging chief kayo. Do you mind or don't you mind having been called as the head of the Davao Death Squad by the former president?
I think he's just joking, sir.
Okay.
Pero, kagaya nga po ng sinabi ng ating mayor, sir, in my stint of almost 3 years as the city director of Davao, wala po talaga yan yung sasabihin na you kill him, you kill... Wala pong ganun, sir. So it's just a matter of taking things on your hand. If you will take it literally, yung sinasabi niya sa media. Kung ano yung sinasabi niya ngayon, sir, yun na yung sinasabi niya. Pero yung kamong sasabihin niya na, Danao, patayin mo sa ganito, there's no such thing, sir. Na ganun. So walang ganong na utos.
Is there a danger that your men will incorrectly interpret what the mayor was saying?
Well, nung panahon ko, sir, as city director, I don't deny, sir, that there were some killings. Pero talagang, ang tao ko, sir, ilan din ang na-hospital dyan. Even in my term as my regional director of 4A in NCRPO and MPD, on record yan, sir, nasa hospital. Hindi lang, sir, nasa hospital, kundi namatay yung pulis natin. So, anong gagawin, sir, ng pulis pag ikaw ang nasa sitwasyon namin, sir? Are we going to allow just to kill the PNP there? So, siguro, sir, maging emotional man tayo rito, sir, pero kami po mismo is nasa front line in enforcing the law. Pero there's no such thing as sabihin na patayin mo lang si ganito, no. Walang ganon, sir.